Let me show you a quick video on how to delete all your messages in Gmail. You know how you can only select a screen full. I'll show you how to delete them all. So first we go in to Gmail. This is mine, and I don't know how many I have. It looks like 890 something. Could be thousands. I'm going to go here in the search area. We'll put in is unread. That'll filter it to all unread mail. We'll go ahead and select it all. And then see right here it says all 50 messages. This page is selected. Select all messages that match the search. Let's hit it. Now everything's selected. And now we can say delete. Of course, there's a confirmation. We're going to say yes. Wait a bit. If you have thousands of thousands, it could take minutes. And there you go. Totally gone.